The industry is facing a lot of challenges from people that are trying to change the business model and from people who are discounting on commissions and things like that. But, the real problem is that we've not done a good enough job in the industry of raising our game of improving the client transactional experience. That all of our innovation goes in, like you said, to lead generation. That's where we put our innovative energies. That's where we put our training energies. And what we need to do is, if we focus more on the client experience, we can stave off the kind of disruptive elements that are out there trying to change the game because we just need to do a better job. And, when you said, that's the way to get business is to create raving fans, people that are going to go out and talk good things about you. I think that's part of it. I think part of it is the fact that, I don't know a lot of great plumbers who don't do well. I don't know a lot of great doctors who don't do well. Like my basic feeling is that if you become a great real estate agent, if you're good at your job, that the business comes to you. It comes to you from the past clients, like you say, but also it comes to you because if you're good at your job, your listings sell, you're good at marketing, you're good at holding transactions together so your deals don't fall apart, you're good at working with buyers so your buyers find the right house. Like being great at your job is what we should be teaching agents how to do, and secondarily then teaching them how to leverage the quality of their work into building their business and generating leads and new clients and things like that. But the first thing we have to teach them is how do you do a good job with your clients. And I think that's consistent, I think, with what you do, because I know you're teaching people specifically about the luxury end of things. And, what I think often happens in that part of the market is that, when the prices get higher, people pay more attention to what they're doing. And so I think it's probably very consistent with what you do, because I think a lot of what you teach is how do you do a great job marketing and promoting a high-end listing or a luxury listing. How do you find the buyers and things like that? And that's part and parcel of what I try to teach people at all the different price points.